Is your business stuck in the WhatsApp trap? You're sending promotions manually, your team is juggling one phone, and then the nightmare happens. Your account gets banned for mass messaging. In 2026, relying on the standard business app isn't just slow, it's a liability. Today, I'm going to show you how to transition to a professional WhatsApp CRM using SleekFlow to unlock unlimited scale, 24/7 AI automation, and seamless CRM integration. Why the official API is your safe haven. Most bans happen because of unofficial tools or spam-like behavior. The solution? The official WhatsApp Business API. By connecting through SleekFlow, an official Meta partner, you move from a personal app to an enterprise-grade platform. Here are the key benefits. Multi-agent access. One number for your entire team. Number 2, official broadcasts. Send to over 10,000 users without getting flagged. Number 3, template approval. Will help you avoid the 4 most common rejection reasons, like grammar errors or incorrect variable parameters, ensuring your messages always land. Segment 2, setting up your dynamic brain. The heart of your 2026 strategy is AgentFlow. Gone are the days of nonsense chatbot answers. Step 1, go to the knowledge base. Simply drag and drop your latest PDF catalogs, pricing sheets, or even a live website URL. Watch as SleekFlow's AI evolves. It learns your business rules instantly. Now when a customer asks about a specific discount in your new catalog at 3 a.m., the AI doesn't just guess. It provides a factual brand-aligned answer based on the documents you just uploaded. Segment 3, building agentic workflows. Automation in 2026 is not just about auto replies. It's about workflows. Using SleekFlow's visual flow builder, you can create if this then that logic for the entire customer journey. Trigger, a customer clicks your Instagram click to WhatsApp ad. Action, the AI agent qualifies the lead by asking about your budget. Decision, if the lead score is high, the system automatically tags them as priority and routes them to your top salesperson in the team inbox. This ensures your human team only spend time on deals that are ready to close. Segment 4, the CRM Power-Up. Your WhatsApp shouldn't be an island. SleekFlow natively integrates with Salesforce, HubSpot, and Shopify. When a deal moves forward in WhatsApp, your CRM updates automatically. For Shopify users, your AI agent can directly pull product links and checkout links into your chat. You're turning conversations into revenue without even leaving the messaging app. Mastering 2026 Pricing and ROI. Let's talk numbers. Meta's 2026 pricing is category-based. While marketing messages are for growth, service conversations are completely free for 24 hours. SleekFlow helps you maximize this by automating support, allowing you to handle thousands of inquiries at zero message costs. Remember the 70-50-30 rule. Scale your funnel by 70%, cut manual work by 50%, and boost conversions by 30%. Stop managing chats and start managing relationships. If you're ready to upgrade to a professional WhatsApp CRM and protect your account from bans, click the link in the description to start your SleekFlow trial now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more social commerce strategies. See you in the next tutorial!